Hello, I'm Pierre Machtou, an endodontist teaching at Paris 7 University. I also serve as a visiting professor at Geneva University. I have been on the development team for the Protaper instrument since the beginning. Along with my colleagues John West and Cliff Ruddle, we work on those initial designs with the idea that we would transfer the concept of the renowned Dr. Herb Schilder to Rotary file design. Those ideas included early corneal enlargement, which was in fact the first description of what we know now as a crown-down technique. Dr. Schilder also advocated passive apical instrumentation, meaning that the file should never be forced to progress apically. This led us to develop an instrument that would work on the outstroke as opposed to being required to do its work by pressing it, and often